Have you ever wondered how to properly count pips in Forex? And what about gold and yen pairs? Today I'll break it down in the simplest way possible so you never get confused again. So let's get straight into it. A pip stands for percentage in point. This is the smallest price movement in Forex, but it's different depending on what instrument you're trading. So let me show you how it works. We're gonna start off with the Forex pairs. And in most Forex pairs, the pip is the fourth decimal. Now, why do people get confused? Well, it's because we normally see 5 decimals here on the chart. Well, you need to look up to the fourth, alright? So in this case, we're looking at the level of 1.0465. Now, a move from 1.0465 up to 1.0470, well, that means right here, we've got a 5 pip move, alright? From 1.0465 up to 1.0475. Well, this right here, this is a 10 pip move. Okay. Now here is a very easy way on how to count pips using the trading view chart. And if you don't know how to do it, well, then we can't even talk about money management. Because knowing how to calculate pips and how to count pips, well, these are Forex basics, but you cannot really continue without learning how to do it. So when you know how to count your pips, you're going to be much quicker with your calculation for your lot size, for example. So let's say we're going to pick the level at 1.0460 right here, okay? So I'm going to hold down the shift key on my keyboard, and then I'm going to click with the left button on the mouse, and then you just drag the mouse up to, let's say, 1.0475. So from 1.0460 up to 1.0475, we've got a 15 pip move. Right, and this is probably the best way on how you can count pips. So let's say I want to count how many pips are from current price levels to the previous high. So I'm just gonna hold the shift key and then point with the mouse to the previous high. We've got about 20 to 21 pips of a movement. Right, this is probably the best way to do it. So if you didn't know about this feature on TradingView, go and check it out and practice it with the pairs that you're trading. Now for pairs like dollar yen, the pip is the second decimal instead of the fourth, but we're gonna get to that in a minute. Moving on to gold, counting pips on gold is a little bit different. Here, every 1 pip equals to 10 cents in price movement, or every 10 pips equals to $1 in price movement. So let's check this out. Let's pick the 2,935 level right here. How many pips is from 2,935 up to 2,000, let's say 937? Well, that's 200 pips of a move because we're looking at a $2 move in price, right? And again, we're going to use the same tool. We're going to come down to 2,935. I'm going to hold down the shift key and then we're going to drag up to 2,937. As you can see, we've got 200 pips of a move for $2 price movement. Okay, so again, 1 pip on gold means 10 cents in price movement. 10 pips, it means $1 in price movement. Now, the yen pairs are unique because 1 pip is at the second decimal instead of the fourth. So let's say every 0.01 move in price, well, this equals to 1 pip. Okay, now to make it a little bit more easier, like I said, we're going to be looking at the chart on TradingView. So let's say we're going to pick the level 151.80. Well, 151.85, how many pips is that? That will be a 5 pip movement. 151.80 up to 151.95. How many pips is that? That's 15 pips of a movement, right? So again, we're going to do the same thing, 151.80 right here up to, let's say, 152. That's 20 pips, okay? Up to 151.95, that's 15 pips of a movement. It is pretty straightforward, but you gotta get used to yen pairs, gold, and normal Forex pairs. Alright, let's quickly go over what we learned today. In Forex, 1 pip is the fourth decimal place. For gold, XAU USD, 1 pip movement, it means 10 cents in price movement. And with the yen pairs, 1 pip is the second decimal place. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you want me to break down next. Also, don't forget to check out all the links below this video and join our free Telegram. This is where you can find a lot more valuable information and you can get notified every time we drop a video or we go live for a live trading session. I'll see you next time.